How to enable live photos on TikTok. Quick and easy guide. Hey everyone! Sabrina here, and today, I've got a super simple tutorial for you. If you want to turn on live photos on TikTok, just follow these quick steps. Let's dive right in. Step-by-step guide. 1. Open the TikTok app on your phone. 2. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. 3. In the top right corner, tap the menu bar. 4. Go to Settings and Privacy. 5. Scroll down to the Content and Display section and select Accessibility. 6. Look for the Animated Thumbnail option and toggle it on. And that's it. Your live photos are now enabled on TikTok. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy TikToking!